I ask you randomly, what's your favorite number between 1 and 10? Randomly.
I have to tell it?
Yeah.
7.
7. Just say stop.
Stop.
You said 7 because of a reason or just like that?
No, it is a good number.
Okay, good number, right? I feel it's a good card also. Just check this out. Show to others every time. So this is how I usually get into people's head. And you could have chosen any card out of the 52 cards, right? So that's how mind reading works, and that's how I influence people to think what I want them to think. So something with cards is that it's very familiar with the person. Okay, so for example, if I ask you to take a card very randomly, just to warm you up again, just choose any card you like. Yeah. Okay. Just have a look at it. Show it to the camera. Don't show it to me. Okay. Right. You chose this one card, right?
Yeah.
Which was it?
This
You could have chosen anything, but you chose the exact same card, which is 7 times, and I actually gave you a fair choice. So this is something I usually do. Thank you so much. So this is something I usually do to. So this is.
do it one more time.
So, but now you know what's gonna happen. It's easy.
Maybe I can change my mind.
No, but
I can change the card.
just for him, just say stop whenever you like. Before it ends.
Stop.
So he likes the 7 so much. I'll just keep this aside. You like the 7 so much that the card likes you back because you said stop here, and you could have actually said stop anywhere. If you said stop here, it would be something else. If you said stop here, it would be something else. But you said stop here, and this is actually again the 7. So 3 times the charm. I'm gonna open this pack for the first time. Right here. And for the camera to see, it's a normal pack of cards completely mixed up. Can you see it? Can you see it too? It's a normal pack of cards completely mixed up. I'm gonna keep the deck here. I want you up there to cut the deck any way you like. Just cut it and keep it here. Yeah, just cut it. Yeah, that's it. You cut to this card. You could have cut to any card, anything, at any point. I am thinking of a card since the time we started this trick, okay? And it's your job. I told you to cut to that card. I am thinking of the 6 of diamonds. Okay, we're gonna see this card. This is the card which you saw, right?
Yeah.
This is the card. That is impossible, guys. This is not the 6 of diamonds. That is impossible, right?
Yeah.
Because that would be real magic, and that could then you would also become a magician. But I thought of the 6 of diamonds, right? That is a card which is completely random and came to my head from this pack, which is completely mixed up right now. Okay, from this pack, if I just snap my fingers, one card I thought of jumps to the top, which is the 6 of diamonds. But you will say that this might be easy. So to make it even more interesting, this 6 of diamonds goes to the bottom of the pack. Okay, and for this one, you can just come closer. You see that this card has an effect on all the other cards. You know why? Because once I just snap my fingers, and you see that very slowly, I'll just tap it, and you see that all the cards start changing to the 6 of diamonds. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Wow. Superb, man.
Thank you.
Outstanding, yeah?
This is a normal blank book, a drawing book, and I'm going to do what I do the best, which is getting into people's mind. I can guess your phone password if you want, or maybe your ATM pin, but I'll try with something basic first, okay? So I have a marker with me. Before I start, I just want you to think about yourself, okay? For example, your name, then the place you live, the area, for example, the country, India, for example, just basic things about yourself. Just keep thinking about it, okay? Coming to something personal, okay? We've never met before, right? And you seem very happy about that. So now, after today, I think your views might change. So I want you to think about something personal, maybe like a unique thing, like your birth date or something. Just keep thinking about it. Okay. If I ask you, you're born in the first half of the year or the second half, what would that be? First half being from Jan to June, and second half being from July to December.
Then second.
Second half, right? Perfect. Just keep thinking about it. Even after saying second half, there's a lot for me to guess into, right? Now keep thinking about the month, okay? Just keep thinking about the month. Are you thinking about it? Imagine there's a screen in between and you see the words written there, okay? I think I've got the month. I'll show it to everybody. I've written down something. I'm not sure about this. Think of the number, think of the date, Keep thinking about it. If it's in the first half of the month or the second half, you blink twice. It's in the second half of the month, I think. Think of the digits. Keep thinking. If it's in the second half, it's a 2-digit number again. Keep thinking about it. Keep thinking about it. Keep thinking about it. You got it? I think even I have got it. For the first time, in your nicest and clearest voice, what's your birth date?
28 July.
I wrote down something, right? which says 28th July. Thank you so much.
Wow.
Thank you so
How
much.
did you do it?
It got in your mind in the first trick itself. Thank you so much. So, how many digits of passcode does your phone have? 4 or 6?
6.
6. It's a big number then for me. Do you mind if I try to guess it from your facial expressions? I've already got 2 digits by the way, but just when you said 6. So I've already got 2 digits. Imagine your password, okay? Keep thinking about it. When I told you when I started the trick, I already got 2 digits, right? You know why? Because when I asked you how many digits is it, you said 6 and you had a very big smile. So 6 is an integral part of your password, is it?
Yeah.
It's repeated, I think, twice, or it has a value inside,
Yeah.
it's somewhere inside, okay? So let's get to it. Start counting loud from 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, you had a little kind of a smirk, if I may say, around 4, 5 and 6. Can you say 4, 5, 6 in any order?
4, 5, 6.
In
6,
any-
4, 5.
6 or 5. You said 6 first again. And I think so you kept 5 last because you were guarding it. The first digit is a 5. Is it? Keep thinking about it. Keep thinking about it. Keep thinking. I believe you. Keep thinking about it. We've just got the first digit, guys. And you said 6 is an integral part. I don't know where it falls, but keep thinking about the second digit, the third digit, the fourth digit, the fifth digit, and the sixth digit. That's impossible, man. You had the same expression for all 5 of them. If I'm not wrong, all the 4 digits have been to your iPhone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Your expression is saved up. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Superb, man.
Thank you so
Outstanding. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oh shit.